One St. Catherine community is lamenting the lack of development in the area. Residents of Glengoffe are urging the authorities to give the place some attention. We have more in this report. If you're looking from the outside, this structure is just a bus shelter. But for people living in Glengoffe, St. Catherine, it represents development which has been stagnant in the area for decades. Located in the hills of the parish, Glengoffe consists of 14 districts, including Jambo's Pond, said to be the highest point in St. Catherine. Farming is big business. However, if it's not your forte, there's nothing else to do.
We do not have any supermarket, any factory. We don't have any employment opportunity readily available in Glengoffe. You understand? We do not have these things available. So when people graduate from Glengoffe High, you head for town, you migrate, and some people don't even come back. We do not have a fire station. We don't have an ambulance for our clinic. We have doctor who comes there every second Tuesday, I think, once every month or twice every month. Yes, but nothing. And the police station is deteriorating.
Over time, several institutions have been closed. There is anxiety that the post office will be next. The opening hours moved from weekly to 3 days a week to Thursdays only.
There will be a large crowd at the post office. Sometimes the postmistress have to postpone it until another Thursday, because she cannot manage a crowd on that one day.
But things appear to be happening, albeit not at the pace residents are hoping for. They pointed us to this gas station, the first in Glengoffe, which takes us back to the bus shelter.
You see me, I'm a farmer, and my field just up there. And tell you sometimes, when I come off the hill, you say, man, and sometimes it's right there so the rain catch me. You know? And sometimes I wet so till, hear me to myself. You mean to say they can't even build up one little something on the roadside for even shelter the farmer them?
To Miss Harris's delight, the bus shelter was built. Her challenge to residents:
And I want it to keep clean. Make I tell you now, if you can't even buy broom, get some broom weed. Even myself, get some broom weed and clean up and make with Glengoffe. So make me pretty it up.
So there's a new sense of pride emanating from the hills of Glengoffe. Despite years of neglect, the residents still hold on to hope that better days are ahead. And if there was any doubt about the tenacity of the people, we were told that greatness has come from the community.
This is a farming community, and this is the era from which athletes like Natasha Morrison, and there's Andre Drummond, and a lot of young aspiring athletes.
The bus park was a joint initiative of the Councillor for the Mount Industry Division, Roger Curlew, and the caretaker for the St. Catherine Northeast Division, Oswest Senior Smith.